Power down your Samsung Galaxy S8 phone. Eject the SIM card and micro SD card tray. The Galaxy S8 rear glass panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a playing card. Attack the adhesive and carefully dislodge the rear glass panel from the chassis. You will need to disconnect the very short fingerprint reader cable from the motherboard before completely moving the glass out of the way. Use the spudger to help free the Galaxy S8 fingerprint sensor from the adhesive securing it to the rear glass panel. Remove the falling 14 Phillips screws. Spudge up the antenna assembly that includes the NFC and wireless charging panel. Easily pop out the lower antenna and loudspeaker array. Starting with the battery, disconnect the bevy of cables from the Galaxy S8 motherboard. Use the spudger to detach the daughterboard connector on the underside of the motherboard, then extract it from the Samsung phone. The S8 battery is firmly adhered in place. Use a spudger to muscle it free from the adhesive securing it to the smartphone. After a brief struggle, out pops the 11.55 Wh/3000 mAh Galaxy S8 battery.